I can tell you in any school, a lot of the schools that are using some pretty hard data using this model, that refusal is usually the #1 behavior, with disruption chasing it close behind. And when you're managing disruption in your classroom by just having some really solid classroom management skills, structuring the environment, doing all the things you have to do to address your audience, and the kids are still acting out no matter what you've done, then it becomes refusal. And I'll say that to kids. I'll say, look, I've asked you guys to quiet down 3 times. Now you're bordering on refusal. And that's a higher level behavior because you're not doing what I've asked you to do. So now you're getting close to where there's going to be consequences. And that's the language I'll use.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.